Hi guys! The last video that I uploaded was of my plants. I know, it's been a minute. It's been a long time. Couple months, I'm sure. A couple of storms came in and killed my plants. My mints were hanging on for a while, but then all of a sudden died. So, very upset about that. Like, all of a sudden they were stagnant for a while, and I was just watching. I'm like, okay, come on babies, we're gonna get it, we're gonna get to it, what else? A bunch of things happened in my life in a couple of months. So many new events. My brother had his first baby. His name is Isaiah. Cutest little freaking nephew ever. Like, cute. So the first nephew of our generation of our family. Like, I have no kids. My sister has no kids, and my brother now has a baby. And my uncle has a child. Oh, what else? My cat of 21 years died on Saturday. I'm not smiling because I'm happy about it. It just, like, I'm trying not to break down. Because I was like really heartbreaking. Try not to break down right now, so I'm just trying to get through this intro. What else? Just a lot of things have been going on in my life. Been working a shit ton of hours. Oh, I do DoorDash. We're good. We're there's no water. We're good. We're good. So, as the description says, this video is gonna be of the hobo clown. I don't know if you ever noticed, like, during the Depression era, there was always these, like, sad face hobo clowns. That's what I want to do today for my Halloween tutorials, because I remember the last video that I did was my, what was it? My voodoo doll, my voodoo witch, and then the time before that was my Chola and She-Hulk. I don't think I have another one. So I actually have a crap ton of Halloween videos that I know I said that last time when I did my She-Hulk and my Chola. I promise this time. I'm looking at all this stuff because I went to Goodwill today and I got a bunch of stuff right here. Look at that. What'd that say? 1696. I did a pretty good job, and I got three to four costumes, because one of them can be reversible and turn into something else. I'm just gonna think of that. So I went to Goodwill because I'm so cheap. I like to save money, and obviously I saved money and I had 3 different costumes, like what, and I'm going to film them, I promise. Even though I don't get that many hours of sleep, I probably get like 3 to 6 hours of sleep, which is probably not good, but I'm rambling. But I drink a lot of water, I work out, you know, kind of breaking out, but it's okay. Stress, you know, don't go through stress. I'm learning how to self-love, and I need to teach myself self-confidence, and I'm just going through a lot of things, but you know, that's a whole nother video. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. I'm gonna start painting my face, put my hair in a ponytail, so get out of my freaking neck. It is hotter than a bitch in here, because I have so many lights on me. Whew. I cut my nails the other day, so so I don't know if you noticed, my face is a lot slender. I also work out. I'm pretty sure I told you that in the last video. I've been working out a lot, and my physical therapy's been going good. What else? I'm basically almost done with my physical therapy from hurting myself a couple of months ago. I'm back to my goal weight before I hurt myself. and I'm continuing to work out. So right now I play basketball. I'm gonna try to play football this Sunday. I don't know. I'm gonna see how that goes. And then I work out basically almost every other day, or like, if you want to count every day, because I walk 5 minutes a day every hour plus 15 minutes during my breaks at work at my regular job. So I guess that's little workouts in between. I get about, where my fitness watch. Right now I am at 8,403 steps. This is not a fitness tutorial or anything like that. This is a video of hobo makeup. Okay, but you just need to know what's been going on in my life, so you know. So boom, now you caught up into this video. I'm about to paint my face with cream, because most hobos were just like white, dirty looking, sad. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna stop talking. We're just gonna jump right into it. All right. Say real quick, if it looks like I'm dying laughing while doing this video, I'm gonna try to look sad towards the end of the video, but like I needed my spirits to be lifted today, so I've been watching like comedy specials all day, and I'm rewatching a old Eddie Griffin special, and he is so hilarious. But I just wanted to let you know. So if it looks like I'm dying laughing, like I'm cackling, it's because of that. Alright, cool. Back to the video. Alright, we're good. We're good. So, if it starts looking kind of clear, the reason why I'm doing it with my hands, hobos didn't have fancy sponges, so they only had their fingers, so, and clothes. So we're gonna do this. I mean, hobos didn't have lights or like, you know, a roof over their head during the Great Depression, but like, we're not gonna go that far. But like, sorry. Not gonna, my bad. I'm going to hell. That's why I'm using my hands, because from what I've seen on all the pictures that I've seen of hobos, it wasn't perfect. It was just like slapped on, you know. So, okay. Again, back to the video. How do I look? Do I look? How do I look? Do I look sexy? Give you love. Give you love. Give you love. I'm sorry. I'm having way too much fun. I started like looking at the way my face started looking. I'm like, whoa. Anytime when I do face makeup, I always get surprised with how I look like afterward. I'm like, dang. I'm like, shit. Cause like, I mean, I can still see me, but like, whoa. I mean, if I could wear this all the time, I'm okay with that. I honestly would not have a problem with the way my face looks at all. But yeah. How do you like the face? It's honestly super easy. Like, and then you could just get a regular old t-shirt. If you honestly look at Google hobo costumes, some of them are more elaborate, like with like freaking suits, like full-on suits, but I literally just have a button-up and some jeans and this bolo hat. I actually found this this was like 99 cents because of this. There must have been something wrong with this before, but like, it's a hobo hat, so obviously it's gonna look messed up. So it was 99 cents. This was 99 cents. This is $4.99. I already had the jeans, so, and then I got face makeup for like the rest of my stuff. So $5? What? You could be a hobo for $5? Come on, I'm helping you. Wouldn't you? I'm sorry. Alright, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more Halloween tutorials. I promise. This, I will promise. I do have like a couple of more outfits I want to try on. Create and do. So it's going to be like back to back to back to back with Halloween tutorials, and this like right before Halloween. So as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna upload it. So yeah, all right. I'm gonna take this off because it is right now. It is 8 o'clock at night, and I didn't tell you what time I start work. I start work at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. So then technically, I should technically, if I want to get a regular sleep, should go to sleep right now. But my ass don't go to sleep until like 10:30, and then I wake up at like 2:30 in the morning, get ready, work out a little bit, and then take a shower, and then go to work, and then work until like 1, and then yeah. I freaking work hard. But yeah, right now I'm just rambling. I just wanted you to know that like my life is crazy.